I am Ate Jessa, and today I have a story for you. Our story is entitled The Little Moth and the Light, Ang Batang Gamo-Gamo at Ang Liwanag, retold by Boots Pastor. It was very dark in the woods. A mother moth and her child were looking for a safe place to spend the night when the little moth saw a flickering light in the distance. "Mother, let's go to the light," the little moth persuaded his mother. The mother moth and her child found themselves in a hut at the edge of the woods. The light they saw from the woods was coming from a lamp on a small table. The little moth was very delighted at the light. "What a beautiful light, Mother!" he exclaimed. "It must be fun to live around it." "Yes, it's beautiful and fun," the mother moth said, "but don't go too near it because your wings might be burned." The mother moth and her child flitted happily around the light. Then, towards midnight, the mother moth said, "Let's stop and rest for the night, my child." "Oh, Mother, let me stay with the light for a while longer." "You can go ahead and rest, and I will follow you later," the little moth pleaded. "All right, but only for a while, my child," the mother moth said. Again, she reminded her child not to go too near the light, for it will surely burn his wings. "I promise, Mother," the little moth said. The mother moth flew out of the house. She perched on the branch of a plant in the yard where she waited and rested. The little moth continued playing around the lamp. He wondered what was in the light that made it glow brightly. "I'll find out," he said to himself, completely forgetting his mother's warning. Straight into the light, the little moth flew, and all at once his wings got caught in the flames and burned. He tried to fly away, but instead he fell on the floor as the flames continued to consume his wings. The next morning, the mother moth woke up. She wondered why her child was not at her side. She flew inside the house and headed for the lamp on the small table. The light of the lamp had been put out. The mother moth searched for her child, and what grief she felt when she saw him on the floor, lifeless and his wings severely burned. And that's the end of our story. The moral lesson of the story: a child who listens to advice is a wise child. Sa Tagalog, ang batang masunurin ay hindi napapahamak. At dyan, nagtatapos ang ating kwento. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!